Are you tired of wrestling with vacuums that lose power halfway through the job, or leave behind more dust than they pick up? Then let me introduce you to the Pretty Care W200 Cordless Vacuum Cleaner, a sleek, powerful, and feature-rich solution designed to make whole home cleaning effortless. Let's start with the unboxing experience. Inside the box, you'll find everything you need to get started right away. One W200 vacuum cleaner, one rotatable brush head, two HEPA filters, two in one brush, one crevice nozzle, one adjustable metal tube, one wall bracket, one power adapter, one instruction manual. Everything is well packaged, and it's clear that Pretty Care has paid attention to detail from the start. At the heart of this machine is a 180W upgraded motor paired with 6 high-capacity 2,500 mAh lithium-ion batteries, delivering up to 48 minutes of runtime in standard mode, or 20 minutes on maximum 28 kilopascal suction. That's more than enough to deep clean a 1,937 square foot home in a single session, without constant interruptions to recharge. It's equipped with a smart LED display that gives you instant updates on battery level, suction power, and performance alerts, keeping you fully in control with just a glance. When it's time to empty the vacuum, it's refreshingly simple. The 1.3-liter dust cup uses a one-button design for quick, mess-free disposal. No need to pull a trigger or touch any dirt. Clean floors are great, but clean air is just as important. Thanks to its advanced 6-stage HEPA filtration system, the Pretty Care W200 captures 99.99% of the fine dust particles, as small as 0.1 microns. That's cleaner air for you and your family, especially for allergy sufferers. Hard to reach places? Not a problem. The LED-powered floor brush swivels 180 degrees side to side and 90 degrees up and down, allowing you to glide under beds and furniture with ease. And those 4 built-in LED headlights? They illuminate even the darkest corners, so no dust goes unnoticed. With the included 2-in-1 brush and crevice tool, cleaning stairs, upholstery, car interiors, and windowsills becomes quick and efficient. These attachments snap on in seconds and store neatly using the wall mount system. The vacuum is incredibly lightweight, just 2.8 pounds, with an ergonomic handle that makes one-handed operation a breeze. Whether you're tackling high shelves or baseboards, it won't wear out your arm or wrist. And here's something you'll really appreciate: whisper-quiet operation. Thanks to its brushless motor design, noise is kept to a minimum at just 60 decibels. That means you can clean without disturbing your household, pets, or your own peace of mind. After testing it on multiple surfaces and in various scenarios, I can honestly say the Pretty Care W200 stands out. The performance is consistent, the accessories are practical, and the design is both functional and sleek. Plus, when you consider the value, it's unbeatable. Comparable vacuums with this level of suction and included features can run upwards of $300. The W200 proves you don't have to break the bank to get premium performance. So whether you're tackling hardwood, tile, carpet, or pet hair, the Pretty Care W200 cordless vacuum cleaner is a smart, efficient choice for modern homes. All product and purchase details are in the description below. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more hands-on product reviews and home tech recommendations. And remember, clean smarter, live better with Pretty Care.